There are times when you are super busy that you don't even get like few hours in a day to spend some quality time with your family. If I get to go there during monsoon period, there would be nothing like that, because the scenery, the roads, the ghat, everything is just so amazing there. And there are some maniacs who like just keep on honking even when they see that there's no place to move ahead. So there's this guy behind me who is just doing beep 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 consistently. It has just gone bad. I'll have to stop, guys. I'll have to stop. I'll meet you whenever this rain stops, otherwise I'll lose my camera. Well, hello my lovely people. I know it's been a long time since we have met like this on a bike ride, because I've been keeping busy lately with my 9 to 5 job, and everyone working a 9 to 5 would definitely relate that sometimes it becomes very difficult to work on a 9 to 5 job and also to travel, to go on a bike ride, or maybe just to create something, because there are times when you are super busy that you don't even get like few hours in a day to spend some quality time with your family. And that is my current phase right now. I've been keeping very busy like from past 4 weeks, and for that reason I've not been able to pick up my camera and like make a video or go on a bike ride or plan a travel. So that is the reason we are meeting after so many days. But it is slowly and steadily, the busy period is slowly and steadily coming to an end, and hope that it is soon. And then I have like a few plans to go on a bike ride and travel, which you would definitely get to know in my coming videos. My god, it looks like it's gonna rain. I have my raincoat with me, but I don't use it, and I'm hoping that I don't have to use it till the time I reach. Like behind me there are like a bunch of black clouds, and it seems like it's gonna rain very heavily. But when I look ahead, it looked like it's gonna be fine until I reach. But yeah, so what's the purpose of this video? Well, nothing important. I just wanted to tell you that where I have been, what I've been doing lately, and the reason why I have not been able to go on a bike ride and put up a video consistently. So just wanted to tell you that. And it looks like a lovely day, so I am headed towards my in-laws, and thought of taking you guys along with me on this short spin. Well, that is the whole purpose of this video or this ride, a short ride. Oh, and by the way, I am planning a ride very soon. I don't know where it's gonna be, but I'm planning that ride with my friend Roshan. Like, you must have seen my last video where we were planning and trying to go to Tamini Ghat, but then we decided to go to Marshesh Ghat. But then I decided to go home because if you have watched it, you know the whole story. If you haven't, there would be a link somewhere in the corner, top left, top right. You can go and watch it. But this time, since the rain, the monsoon have subsided a little bit, and that is the reason I have decided to go on a bike ride again. Who knows, it may be Tamini Ghat. I've been wanting and I've been trying to go to that ghat, and if I get to go there during monsoon period, there would be nothing like that, because the scenery, the roads, the ghat, everything is just so amazing there. Man, this Cheknaka traffic, this is a pain in the ass, man. Every time, like, even if you are a biker, you'll not like the kind of traffic over here at Cheknaka. And there are some maniacs who just keep on honking even when they see that there's no place to move ahead. So there's this guy behind me who is just doing beep 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 consistently. Oh my god. Well, I'm starting to see few black clouds over here, but again, finger crossed that I'll make it at my in-laws in time before it starts to pour down. As I said earlier, that I have got my raincoat, but I just don't want to use it because I don't feel like using it today. It's such a pleasant day to ride, and if it rains and if I get drenched, I'll not be able to record, because since I have attached a microphone to my camera is not waterproof anymore, and for that reason I'll have to just go down in a shade, and I'll just have to go down in a shade and then keep everything inside, because this is the only camera I have and I cannot afford to lose it. It has started to rain, and look at these people. I don't know why do they do it. What is the need of coming in from a wrong side? They are making it difficult for themselves, they are making it difficult for oncoming traffic. It's just bad. It has started to rain, and before it gets worse, I want to find a shade. Luckily the signal turned green, so I'll try to sneak out as fast as I can. Doom 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 doom. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it has started to rain. Finally the black clouds were able to get hold of me. Oh, you see, it has started to rain, so I'll have to stop. I will have to stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'll stop here. See, I have stopped and taken a shade of this pillar because it's raining with wind, and this pillar might help me to keep it dry. I'm trying to okay, because I don't want my camera gear. Oh my god, can you see that? It has just gone bad. I'll have to stop, guys. I'll meet you whenever this rain stops, otherwise I'll lose my camera. So apparently it only rained for a few minutes like it does in Mumbai. Man, The monsoon season always plays with us. I thought that this rain is gonna last longer, but the moment I stopped and the moment I tried to find a shade, it was gone. But since it rained enough, I had to wear my rain jacket at least, because I'm wearing a white shirt. I mean, who the hell wears a white t-shirt or a white shirt when he's on a bike, especially during monsoon, right? But anyways, now it's not gonna rain, because as we say in, like, as we say, इसका कोटा पूरा हो गया अभी का. If it will rain, it will rain, I think, during evening and sometime, but it will not rain again now, like in few hours or something. And because it rained so badly, I also put up the shoe cover because otherwise my boots will be drenched and soaked in water, and during this monsoon it is just very, very difficult to dry your boots or dry your riding gear. But as I said, it is a beautiful day to ride. Look at that. Look at those clouds, the open sky, and look what is ahead of me. Bikers like suffer during this time when the weather is like that, because when it doesn't rain and you have your rain gear on, it becomes so hot inside. You know, it is worse than riding a bike in summer, trust me. And everyone, like whether you go on a long ride or whether you just commute to office, you know, on daily basis, everyone would agree with me. So we have to stop continuously to take in and take off, but again it becomes a pain, because why would, like, once you have your rain gear on and then it doesn't rain anymore, then why would you bother to take it off? Like, who knows if it rains again in 5 minutes. Like, because of this rain gear, like rain jacket, and the sun throwing up like from above, I was feeling so claustrophobic. I had to open my visor. Look how beautiful is this. I love to ride, you know, in such weather. What I hate about it is the rain, because you get these kind of weather like only during monsoon, where the rains are unpredictable. So everything has their own pro and cons, and you have to deal with it. You cannot do anything about it. The temperature inside my jacket has just gone from bad to worst because of this sun. And I also don't want to open the zip of my jacket, because otherwise it will just keep flying in the air till I reach. So I've almost reached at my in-laws. Oh my god, the roads. So I've almost reached at my in-laws, and for that reason I'll end this video here. Did you like this video? How did you feel about everything which I shared with you guys? Let me know in the comment box. And if you are new to the channel, also please subscribe. I keep on saying in my previous videos, I would say this again, and also in all my future videos, that your subscriptions, your likes, your comments just motivates me to create something new, something different every time I step outside my house. So, and still there are a lot of people who you know watches my video, but for some reason I don't know why, but they don't subscribe. So I would request, if you are one of those people, then please subscribe, you know, and also support the growth. Yeah, well, that was all for this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay safe and stay tuned.